you doing this? This is the dog food. And that is the dog water. Food doesn't belong in the water. Is this a new game? Is this a new game? I don't think the doggy would like that.
Shut up, Aaron.
The doggy's not gonna like soggy food. Not even our doggy. Hey, your hands are all yucky now. We're gonna taste like dog food. Do you like to see the ripples in the water? Okay, that's enough. I don't want to buy new doggy food. All done. No, no more. That's doggy bone. Don't you put that in the water. Yucky. Ew. Now we gotta wash your hands. No. Yucky. Now it's all soggy. Now you're gonna take it out for the doggy? Good, because I don't want to. Do you think you're funny or something?
Is it Bob?
Go ahead so we can get the doggy new water.
Again.
This is why I block you from the kitchen. This in the cabinets. Alright, we're done. Come on, Stinky.